can tell you, DA Zappala indicates that while there is no investigation, his office is monitoring the review by health officials. Out of sight, inside UPMC Presbyterian and UPMC Montefiore hospitals, federal health investigators from the CDC and Pennsylvania's Department of Health are gathering information and samples. Their focus, medical concerns and public health. I asked DA Stephen Zappala, is the UPMC mold case something that could come under scrutiny of Allegheny County's district attorney?
It could be, but we're not looking at it right now. When the federal authorities get done with their review, there may be issues that we want to address.
What potentially or theoretically?
We had people die. We had people die. Under what circumstances did they die? So we'd have to explore that.
4 UPMC patients developed mold infections in the past year. 3 of those have died. No direct cause and effect link has been established.
What's on the radar is people have died. So yeah, we're watching what's going on, and if it becomes appropriate for us to play some role in this, then we will.
I asked the DA what specific criteria could determine if the death of UPMC patients who suffered mold infections should be reviewed by his investigators.
Recklessness. I don't think anybody intended that people die from this. You could have criminal negligence. There's all kinds of, I'm speculating, but those would be the areas.
Hours after our interview, late this afternoon, this special statement was emailed by the district attorney's office labeled urgent UPMC comments clarification. It says, quote, earlier today, District Attorney Zappala was asked a series of hypothetical questions concerning the mold issue recently discovered by UPMC. The district attorney clearly indicated that any answers he would give would be speculative. To be clear, the deaths that are presumed to be associated with the mold problem are a concern to this office, but this office is not involved in any sort of investigation of UPMC concerning this issue. Our office will wait until the outcome of the federal, state, and county health reviews to determine if any action is necessary. That emailed statement from the DA's spokesman, Mike Manco, reporting live in North Oakland near UPMC Presbyterian Hospital. Bob Mayo, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.